And bring it over here? Come on. Oh, good job. Yeah. Hi. Hi. Oh, and there's a book in the way, so don't trip. Oh, you walked right over it. Good job. Hi. Yeah. Are you that big of a walker? Yeah. You can just walk across the room anytime you want. Yeah. Natalie, can you get me the book? Get me the book. You get it for me? Give me the book. Give it to me. Oh, that's okay. Thank you. I'll take the spoon too. Can I have the book? Thank you. Just showing off my walker, who is obsessed with books lately, by the way. We read these books about 20 times a day. Okay, here we go. Bye-bye. You wave bye-bye? Bye-bye.